I found an AI website builder that generates a website that is fully up and running within just 1 minute. And in this video, I'll take you through the process and also build my own website with this tool. Now, all I need to do is describe your brand and what kind of website you want to create, and it will automatically do that for you, complete with unique content, images, and all the necessary features, even including analytic tools, CRMs, and anything you need to run a business. Once that is done, you can customize everything on the website without any coding or programming needed, making this perfect for beginners that don't have any website experience to still get a quality website done quickly and easily. To do all of that, we're going to use Durable. I'll leave a link for you in the description down below so that you can follow along. You want to get started by clicking the Generate Your Website button right here. First of all, it's going to ask us what type of website and business we are building. Now, it's important to know that whatever you do, Durable has pretty much anything available for anyone, as you can see right here. Now, for me, as I'm a content creator, I want to build a content creator website. So simply type that in here, and then I can select that right there. And then I'll click on next. Then it's going to ask us where our business is located. So I'm just going to type Amsterdam, just like that, and then click next. Then enter the name of your business, which for me, as I'm just a content creator, I'm just going to put my actual name. And then as soon as you've done that, what you can do is click on Generate Website. And right now, within just about 30 seconds, it's going to generate a complete website for me using AI. That is incredibly easy to get going. And there we go, as you saw that. Our website is now ready. That literally took less than 30 seconds. Now, if I just scroll through, this is what it currently looks like. In order to now customize our website, it is important that you sign up for a free account first so that you can actually get that done and save all of your progress. So I recommend clicking Make It Yours and then click on Sign Up with Google. And then once you do that, just like I'm doing right now, you'll actually create an account so that you can keep track of your progress and save everything that you customize. Alright, so now that we've done that, we can get going with the customization. Now, what is important to know and what I like is that, let's say that we don't really like this website at all, like you don't see the potential in it, what you can do is go to Customize in the top left corner, and you can click Regenerate. Now, what this will do is that it will just repeat the process and create another AI website for you. Additionally, you can also click on Change Template in the top left corner, and then you can choose any of the other templates from Durable that maybe are more fitting with your brand and what it is that you do. So they've made it really easy to change the entire style of your website within just one click. This is also where you can change the color scheme, the fonts, the buttons, or other styles all at once for the entire website. So currently, this is the color scheme. It's quite dark. So if I would like to change that, I can click on Colors right there, and then the color palette will open up. I can then click right here. And then, for example, if I want a lighter theme across my website, I can click on Light right here, and then I can choose any of the color schemes that now show up right here. In order to apply that, just click on it, and as you can see, the color scheme will change for the entire website. As they've got many different color schemes available, just click through, see what you like, and then once you've found something, you simply click on Done, and then you click on Save in order to save your progress. So what you can see is that customizing your website once it's generated with AI is also extremely easy to do. So your website right now is made up out of sections. So this right here is what is called a section. Then this right here is a section. And what is important to know is that you can remove any section, but you can also add any section you want on your website. The way you would do that is by either clicking on the three dots right here once you have selected this part of the website, and then you can click on Delete. That will get rid of it entirely. You can also add another section by just clicking right here on this button, and then you can choose what you would like to add. For example, a website banner, a banner carousel, banner grid, all the way down to even an FAQ or an audio player or a restaurant menu list. So whatever section you would like to add onto your website is done within 2 clicks. That is one, and then that's click number 2, and it will then appear on your website. So this is what it looks like by default. Now what you now can do, and this is what I really like, is that you can click on Restyle, and it will automatically change the way it looks. So you don't need to code it, you don't need to play around with it. You can just click a button, just like this, and it's going to give you another version of that section. So you can simply keep clicking through until you find what you would like to use on your website. So I personally would like to keep it simple and just have a picture right here and then text right here. You can do that with all the sections in your website. So you can always click on Restyle, and then it will change the way it looks. Now what is important to know is that you can also customize it yourself. The way you would do that is by clicking on the three dots right here, and then click on Edit Section. That will open up this right here. So everything is kind of drag and drop. You don't need to do any coding. You simply click on the element on your website that you like to change, and then you can simply do that by typing it in right here. If you scroll down, you will see everything that is included in this section of your website, which also is an image. Now, if you would like to replace that image, you can click Replace right here. If you would like to have another one generated with AI, you can click Regenerate, and it will then choose a different image automatically for your website. However, I do recommend personalizing it and adding your own images, which is what I will do on my own website as well. So click Replace just like that, and then you can choose any image within a stock library, but you can also click on Upload, then upload files from your local device. Now when it comes to the colors, do note that the initial style is made up out of the color scheme that you've chosen right here in the top left corner, but you can also customize just this section alone by going to Style and then clicking right here on Colors, and then you can choose any of this. So you can choose from the theme that you currently have, either solid or gradient, just like that, or you can go to Custom and then just totally customize it yourself. So if I like this to be red, I would simply slide this bar over to red, choose red right here, and then as you can see, it will now become gradient red along with this gray color right here. If I want it to be red and blue gradient, I will do this. Now, as of right now, that does not look like my style, so I will not keep this. However, do know that it's possible. Alright, so I'm about to show my own website so that you can see how that turns out. I'm very excited for that. But first, let me show you how you can move up and down sections on your website, which is actually really simple. So all you need to do is scroll down to the section that you would like to change the order from, and then simply click on Move Up or Move Down. Let's say I want to move down this section. I click Move Down, and there you go. That is now done. So it's very simple to change the order of how things appear on your website. Now, what is also important to know is that this is not just a one-page website builder. Durable is becoming an all-in-one place to host your website and run your business. If you go to the homepage in the top left corner, you will end up right here. You've got a homepage, then you've got your website, which is what you're building right now. That comes with analytics, optimization, domain names, and settings for your website. You have a marketing channel, which is where you can run social media posts, emails, reviews, etc., as well as a CRM so that you can keep track of incoming emails and stuff like that. And they even have invoices that you can run through this website. So it's an all-in-one tool, not just a one-page website builder. So having explained all the features, it is now time for me to start customizing this website and turn it into something that I actually like and that fits what I do.
A few moments later.
And there we go. I have just completed my website within about 30 minutes of customization. It now has my name, my images, my content. It is ready. So let me show you what it looks like right now. And bear in mind, I don't have any coding experience nor any programming skills. So I would have not been able to do that without the AI and all the templates and the drag and drop systems. So this is what it looks like. I will just open it up before I actually publish it into the preview mode, which you can do by clicking in the top right corner. And this is what it currently looks like. So we've got an image of me in the background. Then it says Meet Youri van Hofwegen, which is my name. I've got a little bio about me. I've got a Learn More button. I've got a simple image that shows up right here on the right-hand side. Then if we scroll down, I've got some companies that I have worked with, their logos that simply slide through the website, which looks quite nice. Then I've made this little section about me, kind of explaining like where I came from, what I do, just very briefly, as you can see right here. Then if I scroll down further, my content appears, and what you'll see as well is that it kind of slides in, right? So if I just review this, it's not already there, but I scroll down and then they kind of pop in one by one, which you can see just like that. So that is nice. And these are also things that you can quite easily do when customizing your website. Scrolling down a bit more, I have placed some reviews of people that have worked with me. Then we've got a few questions that people can ask regarding what I do. Now I've just added 3 simple questions, but I potentially can build this out to dozens of questions that people would like to get answered. And that will save me a bunch of time from them emailing me and stuff like that. And speaking about emails, I have left a get in touch form right here, which actually works as well. So if I just type that in right here and then click on send, what will happen is that we'll say, we'll get in touch with you as soon as possible And me as the website owner in the backend, if I now go to the CRM by going here, going to the home page, going to CRM, I will then see a new message pop up right here, which if I click on it, it will show up like this, and I can then reply to it, etc. So you can run the entire business from here. However, currently I don't have a domain name and I'm on a free account, meaning I don't have all the best features unlocked on the platform. So in order to get my website live with a custom domain name, what I'm going to do is click on publish in the top right corner, which will lead to the payment plans, which I'm going to go with the starter plan for now, which actually comes with a free domain name up to $15, and that actually comes with any of the plans on Durable. However, with that said, I'm going to click on upgrade now so that I can unlock all of the best features on the platform. Now, if you want to get started with this platform, Durable was kind enough to sponsor this video and give you guys a custom code so that you can save 30% of any plan on Durable for the first 3 months. For that, use code Youri30 at the checkout right here. There we go, processing the payment, and as soon as that is done, I can now choose my domain name and publish my website. So what you can now do, because you get a free domain with your plan, is choose a domain that you like to use and then click on get it right here. Now let's say that my domain name, I'd like it to be all content education. I can now click on get it right here, and then I can link this to my website, click get domain right there, and that is now done. Very simple, click done right there, and here we go. We're now publishing my website. And my website is now live. That is fantastic. So within just 30 seconds, it generated a complete website for me that was fully functional. Then with an extra 30 minutes of customizing my images, the text, etc., I have a website that is up and running and just ready to go. Overall, Durable has made it really easy to get this going, to make this process simple for people that don't have any coding or programming skills or experience. So if you'd like to get started and try this out for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And don't forget to use code Youri30 if you're going to use this anyway, as you can save yourself some money. Also, feel free to check out the end result of the website. I'll leave a link in the description down below and let me know your thoughts. With that said, I'll see you in the next video.